In this part, we will make the layout for the password recovery page. To do this, we will create a new reset password component. Let's remove these exports for pages, because we use lazy import directly from the component directory. Just like for the rest of the pages, we use lazy imports. And register a new route for our page with a reset password path. Let's save our form structure for this page as well, copying it from the last one. Delete unnecessary inputs. Thank you for watching. In the next part, we will create the form component. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and like.